started rolling. If you want to post this on your channel, Brandon.
All right. We'll see if that looks cool.
This man's brave. He's going for the bolt. What the heck you going for? The nut or the bolt?
No, the grinder.
Grinder? Okay. You can ask the assistant here too.
Different washer.
Alright, he's gonna weld the washer to the frame.
To the bolt.
To the bolt, sorry, in the middle.
Watch your eyes, these things throw sparks. Ready for this view. let that cool and then have a go.
All right, that looks crazy.
How the hell you got cobwebs in here? I don't know. A packing blanket, not a welding blanket.
Oh. Turned the camera off for 1 second. He's like, all right, going for it. Might break off. Damn it, I turned the camera off.
It didn't break off, so that's good.
He got the bolt out. Holy shit.
Yeah, it's gonna be hot for a while.
Yeah.
And it welded like shit, too.
Worked.
Shitty weld, but it worked.
Weld the washer onto a broken bolt, and then a nut. Now we know for future.
Fucking A. You get more surface area if you could do the washer first.
Ah.
Yeah, you get a better weld on there.
Now we can just bolt it in directly.
Yep. And then weld.
That's pretty. So close.
Oh, it's just that little bit of rubber.
Yep, just gotta be closer towards me.
There we go.
There we go. Then you can swing that end around.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
In there like swimwear.
Yep, now we can. I think it goes in front of that, not behind that.
That would make sense. Bolts. We have that silver kit that I gave you with the little bolts in it.
Yep, we should be able to set this thing down for a second.
Yep.
Let it rest there. What are we looking for? What size?
Try
10 millimeter? Long? Otherwise they're 12s.
10s will do, and they're loose.
10s are loose. Oh, I already did that, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because I already was halfway through putting this thing up when I realized I couldn't do it without A, getting another bolt out, or B, having a friend help me. But here we are.
You got both.
I didn't expect that bolt to come out. I appreciate that. That's crazy. All right, what size are you looking for?
Just that ratchet.
Ratchet thing? Yep. Remember, you got an assistant with a camera now. I should have been here doing this shit all the time.
All right. B-E-A, beautiful. Careful, that gray shit will get everywhere.
Yep, I know exactly what that stuff is.
Yeah, they weren't lying.
Watch a bunch of mechanic YouTube stuff and what are we looking for?
They weren't lying about probably needing to bend this.
That's where the bending is, you see?
Yep. Were they doing it on or off the car?
I have no idea. What do you think?
I don't know. It's fucking pretty close.
I know. I don't know which way to bend it and how close it is.
Let's see if I can get this bolted in, and we can bend it probably on the car.
Which way are we bending it?
No, we gotta bend it out just a touch.
Towards the rear? Can I loosen that one?
Nah, that's good.
What? Why?
We're gonna take it off and fucking give her the old bend.
You know which way it's gotta bend, and then how.
Yes.
And have fun with it. There. I got this side if you want to go that side.
I got this.
Okay. Playing Hitch Jiu-Jitsu.
Yeah, right.
Bingo. I have a YouTube channel for disc golf, and then this is probably gonna go on Brandon's channel.
Oh, there you go.
Which is what?
I don't even know.
Oh, maybe he's making a new channel.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. What are you looking for? Screws?
That's just the bunker. Oh, fuck yeah, it does. You don't have to mess with the bunker.
I know, that's what I was saying. I was like, oh, we might have to take that off. He's like, nope.
That's fucking rad, dude.
Yep. A few of my friends had these over the years, and I'm like, I should get one of these eventually. Didn't know what it took.
Oh, like it was fucking built for it.
Oh. You bent it to the right shape.
Ish.
Ish.
Close enough, I think.
Yeah.
I heard that washer go rolling.
Oh, that's what I was wondering. Where's that washer at? Because I have another.
Yeah, I heard it rolling down yonder.
Rolling. All right, I'll go look.
Yeah, there's a long ass ratchet right behind you. I'm handing that here. Thank you. I mean, she's fucking darn near installed there, buddy.
Without needing to be welded.
Yep. You got righty tight. That was gonna be lefty loosey. Grab an extension too.
Really? They sent me a pin for that hitch.
Really?
Yeah, everything except the pin.
Oh, they should have those at the hardware store, but that's the parts store, but that's kind of
I
whack.
was like, what? All parts. No pin. Sounds like thunder.
There's like a shorty one of these in that red toolbox. There should be that drawer that slid open. There should be a shorter one of these. Yeah.
This guy, I figured I'd joint. This thing?
No, it's just a shorter version of this. Yeah. Sweet. Thanks, sir.
It's a smaller one, yeah. You need the 3/8. There's kids around here that want double things, I don't know. Okay. Is that the other phone? Oh, phones with phones? Look at that. One of them is it.
Did they give you torque specs in the instructions on these?
No, I didn't do instructions.
All right. We're gonna go with 15 Ooga Doogas. I don't want to blow it out with the impact. So. That's how you do, kids. It even works on your own after a while. All right, 27 Ooga Doogas.
27 Ooga
Yep.
You need me to do some Ooga Doogas?
No, just make sure those washers get flat. Alright. This doesn't seem like it fits, but it looks like they want you to use that. So this came with another bolt, right?
Yep, it came with that bolt.
Perfect.
So it's
So that doesn't line up, so you use this.
Oh, it's a little longer, that's why. Okay. So you need to have a...
Well, that fucker don't even come close to lining up. We'd have to do some serious bendification there.
Right.
And that can go into there. I'm not wondering if that's what they were wanting.
No, this is the body part. This stays down there.
Well, it ain't going in there is what I'm saying. So it's probably going to go right there.
Yeah, that's fine.
Because that ain't long enough. Get what that tab is for.
Yeah, I know. I don't understand either. Because this doesn't really keep... I mean, it kind of keeps the body from
I
flopping
could
around.
cut the tab off and use this bolt up here. Use the stock bolt.
Yeah, but part of the body. I don't know.
Well, that's what I'm saying. I could use that into the stock bolt hole. It's just going to kind of bend around that a little bit.
No.
Because otherwise it'll be like right there. And the other side will be bolted too. Obviously there'll be a washer on there too.
Right. Yeah, that doesn't go straight into there. This thing.
Not at all. It's off like 1.5 inches.
I mean, does that? I mean, can we just walk?
Yeah, that's why I could either just bolt it right to the hitch or cut the piece off from the hitch and go to the stock mount.
Because the second one doesn't line up at all. That doesn't matter. But
Well,
at least that'll line up with the
It'll line
the
up with
hitch.
this eventually. Well, no,
Yeah.
it won't, 'cause that'll fucking get in the way. Well,
It'll-
I could use either one.
It'll be secure to the hitch at least. Yeah, that's fine.
Then that shit ain't going nowhere.
No.
Especially 4 bolts there, that shit ain't going nowhere.
No need for welding and top down with a pin.
That would be all right. If we can. If that wants to do anything. Here it is. You go in there, you whore. I'm not asking you. Trying to get this around the top part of the frame there. installation. That's all she needed.
Yep.
Probably end up being a fucking 10 mil wrench.
10 mil socket coming up. Oh, that's already the one we had down there, yeah. We need something, we need a little...
It's bigger.
Unplug it. We don't have that in the background.
Right. Oh yeah, I need to go wash her. Fucking just in time for the rain. Fire up the old Mexican sites.
Got a similar one to that.
We got one more bolt and she's fucking rolling, buddy. Beautiful. That's weird.
Yeah.
Go different. Yeah. I mean, we could do that. Back to the one that's in the way.
Yeah, we got the model piece of that, but I mean, it's still bolted to the frame now.
Right.
Ooh-wee, that's some good thunder.
See, we got good timing here.
Well, the next thing to replace is the windshield wipers.
Not if it's fucking raining.
Oh, I'm getting this thing off.
It's that ominous thunder, too.
Just get it hot.
Yeah.
Even though it's plastic.
Fucking wiper arm off, and fucking
I mean, I got a whole new wiper arm, so it doesn't matter if it melts anyway.
melt that fucker off.
Yeah, well, we're
and
melting
then
it.
You'll still have that nut on there, but fucking you can,
doesn't matter.
grab it with fucking pliers at that point.
Just that brass bushing in there?
Yeah. So get it hot enough to slide the fucking wiper arm off, and then that bushing, grab a pair of channels, move it a little bit. In worst case scenario, you give it a little cut, a little more heat.
Is this piece thread on there? This fucking?
No, it doesn't thread.
Oh, just
No,
fucking.
it's just a
Just
reducer, or
Jesus.
it's just knocking it out of
You're
there.
a fucking.
that top layer of rust is a good solid bit of Loctite.
Shit. That's crazy. The metal is just still not willing to. Hey, broke free.
That's wild.
Give that a little wire, and
Yeah. I'll put the fucking. We'll definitely throw some mannequins on that new one.
Yeah. Or the let's see it.
all of them. It doesn't matter, Toyota, Nissan, Lexus, Ford, they all do it.
They're all the
Fords are probably the worst, to be honest. But
all these connections are the same. So if you're looking to replace your rear windshield wiper, it's an all-in-one It's installed. We're rinsing one.
Yeah, like, or even a drop of oil.
Right.
And you wouldn't have to deal with the crap like this.
But I mean, this car is 20 years old at this point. We replaced a lot of parts on it.
Big ass dude, this little fucker too.
I have 3 inches of head space in this thing still.
I saw you backing it in and I was like, wow.
These things have more room inside than most cars do.
I mean, fuck.
It's pretty big. Have you ever sat in one, Rick? It's like a fucking SUV inside there, dude.
The dash is a lot like the FD. It's in the middle of the and all 3 is
Yep.
You got the nut that goes on
Yeah,
there?
it's my
Too much. So you never do too much. Where it was sitting.
It sits right there because we got the warmer.
Yeah.
The squiggle
Oh, okay.
fuckers.
So it's got to go up a little bit more right there.
Oh,
Go right there. 10 mil. Yeah, this storm is just gonna go just east of us.
Hopefully.
Oh, it is.
Oh, you saw it on the...
Yeah, radar.
Nice.
Yeah, I don't even think you've seen my computer, but this is the dude that built my computer for me.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah.
Right on. Gotcha. You computer smart guy?
Yep, I know how to build computers and upgrade computers.
Nice.
So you're still running good?
Yeah, there's a little bit I use it.
Ah!
I've probably turned it on 10 times since I've seen you last.
Okay. I got this top piece at home.
Okay.
Sweet.
There you
Beautiful.
go, bro.
There's